I didn't think I would make it up this hill. But the farm had surprises waiting.
We get some more ackee. Remember me that
We even got to pick some fresh fruit along the way. And faintly, a family in the hills arguing reminded me of my own struggles. This hike became more than just a farm trip. Come with me. This is a farm adventure you won't forget.
Outside, like I'm me own the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg life, man a beg cloud. Everyone me got them off the top about. Good morning, guys. It's another wonderful day. Today is actually Christmas Eve. Still in the country, and I'm going on a hike today. We're hiking to the farm, guys. So I'm gonna carry on along. When you can see the sun out, right? So we should have been gone from morning, but I'm determined for go, so I'm still gonna go. Sun I go hot. So I'm just try with me, alright? Showing us some of the journey as we go along. So guys, one of the main thing is I wanted to get some workout because I now work out from the other day, you know. Honestly, I just been eating and not working out. So I want to start the New Year's with the mentality say I go put in the work. When I know I always a workout anyway. I'm not telling you I should have gone from about 5 o'clock this morning. The sun, I lit my face. Go T! Why do it the same way? Start very rigorous because already we are go per hill. Guys, I never ever do them something and come out when it's sun. Start from 5 o'clock. Take my foolish advice. Woo! I get the steps in, blood I get warm. Walk up my little ackee here, guys. You know when you're found that wishing that I have some ackee to eat right now. Ackee season comes. If you're dead for hungry, I country protege, you know where I'm saying and chronics enough to listen to them songs. When you can't dead for hungry, poverty not exists because country have too much fruits that drop off a tree and they are broke. Natural spring. Watch banana tree in a bush, mango tree. We'll eat a divine food, you know. Watch a banana tree non-stop. Oh, for hungry when we're there country. Yeah, sour, sweet sap, sour sap. Watch a man. Look at this. Woo. Guys, I find a farm. Nothing about chicken life.
Just take your time. Yeah, just take your time. Take your time. Take up one. My step on you.
Ah, got him! Ow, don't fly!
Don't make him fly out.
Oh, he can fly. This not so bad after all. Hi, Chick Chick. What are you running to? I'm not gonna cook you today. It's not Thanksgiving. Wait. Come on. Bye, Chick. I learn whole things are country. Told me no know if me I come back, you know, maybe me I go turn a farmer girl. Hard willing, I feel like I'm naturally supposed to be a country girl. But my naturally.
Of course.
Naturally, that was nice. Wow.
You have some bigger one up?
No man. I'm alright with the babies. We have to take it in stages, you know? Maybe the big one, them are going to pluck me.
No man, they
Them not pluck me? Well, we'll try run them one or something.
When they have to run them,
Then we stand up?
Then no on them big, so they don't know what to run. Next week, so you know.
Yeah, guys, we'll soon come back. Guys, look on this. These are the literal bush. Guys, on the mountains, mother, may I take my time. A suicide mission this, you know? A suicide mission this. I prefer come up than go down because this now looks so safe, guys. Blouse and skirt. But try to hold on on that, but look what they right there so. Guys, I forgot to put on the phone because I try to make a video of the journey and thing, but the hill kind of steep, and if I have the phone and a video, I go slide and drop. So the best thing for me do, see there, are some steep thing. Best thing for me do, I put on the phone and catching out back when I'm on a good slope. Alright? So catch up with you now. Yo! Blows and stuff. Boy, I tell a lie. We're doing it for the vlog. But if I ever pop my rump, you know, guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video right now. That's the piece of mountain when I walk through right now. Wow. I just put all my hand in a one tree full of chichi. God. Boy. Alright. See that I'm up on a flat, you know. Look there. Look how I just come up.
By the bush then.
Why must I come? Jesus, I make it. Up. I'm going to fire that tour guide there. Because if the tour guide did tell me, say, I'm going to climb Mount Everest to reach up and stuff. Maybe me that cancel the trip, guys. Because, wow. I'm a tour guide and a rest. I saw him chop, I saw him go. I'm used to this and I'm not. Right now I'm a vex. Me in the bush, I'm a vex. Why I think me come on a cute girl camping trip. This rough bad. I mean I go into the raw and the real. At this point I feel ignorant. Things are bite me up. And so I start the video clean. Now I'm dirty. Yeah, but the view is nice. Regardless. Why I really love nature, you know? Because nature alone could have made me go through them things. Nice big mango tree. In the streets is getting hot. Guys, inside life not too bad, you know. Inside life not too bad. Watch out. Watch the beer things in my clothes. Beer things in my clothes, guys. I'm not doing a lot of one day wicked. Coach bite me. My skin has scratched me. Come here, sweat. It worth. Why am I never know to tell you if it's worth it? The journey nice. The journey not nice. But the atmosphere really refreshing. Still not reach yet. The part there was just one of the rough part them. I'm not telling you, I see my on my knee and some blow out maca drop me in my hand. Yeah. It just seemed to me like the storm mash up the place. Guys, me not take that way they go back down, you know. Me I go look for the car them. Cause my ear car movements. I go look for the road. Anywhere the road there. You know them movie there where people lost in the wilderness and I try to find them way out. Me I go look for the road and find it and go back that way there. Me not slide go down no hills and valleys again, but sorry. Good things are all shoes I wear. No, sir. Whew. Crazy.
Yeah.
I go pick some breadfruit now. Breadfruit pickings and things. That me I telling about country like I can't hungry. But I really see a breadfruit from that one here. We just catch one a while ago. It's down there some so showing it. So we there look to see if we can find no more. There things up here some mango, but I'm sorry to never mango season because the amount of mango tree we could have get some woolly for East Indian, but I just blossom them there on the mango tree right now. Yeah. Each item for food. You see me I tell you I can't do this in Kingston, you know. That dead for hungry out there. One breadfruit for $500. You can just walk in any yard and pick a breadfruit for free a country. Yeah, as long as they know the people them still. Nobody got trespass from people property and like I try to get free food down here. But yeah. Can't hungry out here. Anyways, we'll catch up back. I'm so showing on the one breadfruit. Hopefully we can get some more before we're ready, you know. We'll see what we can harvest and gather up in the hillside. We'll catch you up back. Rather they on the hillside than there on people where we hurt you. Rather they on a hillside I build vibes and know say we're hard clean inside. Rather on a hillside. Rather they on a hillside for real. Tired, you know? Tired book. So guys, I actually get some breadfruit. I get like 5, 2, 4, and 1. It's kind of small still, but not much breadfruit now out here. So we are work with what we can find. Guys, I hear some noise in the background, don't it? May I tell you, say, as far out in the wild as I come, I still can hear family argue. And to me, this just sounds so close to home. It sounds like a female that argue with her siblings them over them grandmother's house. And it seems like
From when me I hear she the person where, you know, balance everything and keep the house clean and whatever. And it just seems like some way for toxic, dysfunctional. So I'm not to listen because I come out here for a mental reset. But this is kind of just a confirmation that there are people out there that are going through similar situations as myself. I am not alone, and it's just sad for to say families can come together and live as one. That can be something where me would have loved to see, but it never gonna happen because people are gonna always be people, and you're gonna have people with fuck up mentality in our world, guys. And no matter how good you is and no matter how you would want to see a balance and a change, that never ever happen. You can only work on yourself. You can't change people. So in this world where there's so much dysfunction, mama just pick up the camera and talk to you. In this world where you have people with so much different type of mentality, you can't work for change nobody. You can only just work on you and try to fix yourself and try to see how you can function in this chaotic world, you know, because look how far out in a while my day, and I'm out here actually trying to just stabilize my mental. I try to forget about a lot of the stuff them were happening in my environment, and this is the reason why I'm here. But then I come way up in the hills and hear something also familiar, you know, when me I go through. Other people out there I go through the same things as well, and you know, we can't change people, we just have to change ourselves. So I'm not too focused on that, but it loud in the background, so I kind of have to adjust it in the event when I hear some loud talking in the background. Tell you the truth, guys, sometimes when you have to deal with them kind of family stress, like draining, you know, because sometimes you find yourself, you get up and you find yourself just argue. Personally, for me, I found myself in those situations as well. And when I look back on it, I say, but it never worth it. Because sometimes when you look on the people where you argue with and the people where you kill up yourself about and waste your energy pan, you just realize it's not even worth it. Because you have some people, no matter what you do, no matter what you say, them not gonna learn, them not gonna get it, them head tough, and them just know one way of life, and I just saw them are gonna remain. And no matter what you do, you could have beat up your gums for till. You could have tried to preach sense in them from now till next year. It now work. And so slowly I learned that, you know, that wasn't the way. The best thing you can try to do is just stay far out of them people they reach. You know, it's just that what may I learn and what may I understand is sometimes when you're the black sheep, you know, in a narcissistic, dysfunctional family, even when you try to stay out of them way, you know what I mean, it just can't work. So that is why my conclusion is to just take for myself and go no contact, period. Because as I said before in my previous vlog, there are just days when you wake up and you're being attacked and you don't even know why you're being attacked, you don't even know why you're being disrespected, you know, and in a way that kind of throw you off of your focus. Because me's a person will always focus on myself and always focus on my goals, and when you're gonna have people are gonna come in your way and I try to show you for your balance and I try to distract you, you know, especially as a creative, as a person who create music, create content, them things that kind of sidetrack your motion and, you know, make you go in a one space where you don't even have the vibes or the energy, because you just put you in a low vibration, you know what I say. So the best thing I can do is to stay far away. And in my opinion, it don't make no sense to get up and argue over vanity, you know, and that is something me wish a lot of people will understand. Because when we're dead and gone, none of them something I can't go with yet. You never see them bury somebody yet. And no matter what the person own, if them own $1 million house and $1 million car and billions or millions of dollars worth of jewelry, you never see a man going in a coffin or in a hole and him carry him house and him car with him. It's always some generations after we come back and inherit it, you know. So in life, it's best not to argue over anything, especially materialistic things. Just try to live and make your soul right with God, because at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, the only thing I got left back when you leave earth is the memories them where you leave behind with people, whether you was a good person or you was a bad person. That's all people are gonna have to remember. Even if you did own 100 house and 1,000,000 car, that now go matter. It's the person that you were on earth, the impact and the way you live on people. That is all people are gonna remember if you was a good person or if you was a bad person. So I think a full time now people stop cuss over material things and just go and live and just make us soul right with Christ, because at the end of the day that is all that's going to matter in the end. We just come from earth with one life, and I feel you have to just live that life to the best of your ability. Go and enjoy the things them where God put on earth. We enjoy like the fruits, the nature, the forest, the birds, the bees, every single thing. Just go and enjoy that, you know, and stop kill up yourself over material things. It's always good to have a dream, and it's always good to work towards your dreams and focus on that and try to achieve. Always good for have purpose, because you know that's what keep us going, and it's what keep our brain engaged, our mind engaged, you know, and it make you get up in the morning and look forward to something. That is definitely important. But what does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? What does it profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? Nothing at all. So I will never find myself in a position where me and war with anybody over house, car, vanity, deadlift, or things that me never work hard and buy. I'm glad to say me have a very independent mindset where me get up every single day and work towards my own. Work for have my own. Work for achieve my own. God forbid if me leave this earth, anything what I have, everything what I have, I go pass on to my children them. I one child I have now, but if God allow me to have another, and in the future anything supposed to happen to me and them supposed to have to gain anything when me leave behind, I just hope, you know, them know say them to live loving as siblings, live loving, share and care for each other and love each other as one. But I get up on a war and a fight over nothing, because that not make it, that definitely not gone away. If you're one of them person as well where go through them type of situations here, may I tell you from now, if you are the person where I fight, it not make sense. Because you're just a fight in vain, because none of we not come on earth to live forever. All of we depend on borrowed time. And when you're gone, you spend your whole life a fight over things when not even go in the grave with you. It not make sense. Just live and go and enjoy your life. And if you're one of the person like me, and if you feel like a black sheep, if you feel like a scapegoat, if you're one of them person, just know that things get better with time. And as much as you can avoid the narcissist them, just avoid them. As far away from them as you can go, because them not gonna ever change. Them are gonna just live till them reach one stage where them catch some dementia. Because the demons, you know, in my opinion, people like that are fighting demons, they're battling demons, you know, and after a while, after the demons them use them and abuse them to a point where them can't use them no more, them just go through a stage where them are gonna face dementia. That's how me see it. You understand? Them not gonna able remember nothing. You know, them are gonna go through a period where nobody now go around them. Them are gonna find say them are gonna lose everybody, because not everybody are gonna go through them entire life and deal with people like that. And once people see your true colors, them are gonna left from around you. Because people will want peace in them life, now go sustain them type of living there. So yeah, that's my word. Maybe I hear the people them and them argument just for, you know, get the motion. Yes, someone could share another word of inspiration to myself and to those that can relate to my situation. Anyway, now I'm gonna spend my time out in the wilderness amidst this, you know. May I go back, go and grab my ackee them. So my brethren just bring some ackee and some lime. Guys, may I tell you, you know, I love country. I love country bad. Let me show you. Let me see how much ackee this. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This are dozen and 2 ackee. And you know, we get some big lime. Yeah. So I guess I see if we can get some more ackee. But this good. Nice. So guys, we'll pack up the things them. I'm telling you, so we're gonna try to get some more ackee. So we'll get some more ackee. No, this look like about 2 dozen to 3 dozen ackee. So So we're gonna pack up now because you don't know we have to make it back down on the hill. In case you don't know, these are lemons or limes. When I use them, I have to make lemonade and then thing there. Lime, lemonade, tomato. When I don't know it already. One piece. Yeah, bag full. I'm gonna feed breadfruit then now, guys. Breadfruit for days. Telling her again, I can't dead for over a country. Hopefully, the bag no bust. Because we have a little walk. I go down for the flatter now, so you can follow and see what I'm going, alright? City girl in a country world. City girl in a country world. City girl in a Carry me happy, go all in state market, not a quarter no sales. I know me not got town enough. This is free of cost. Oh. I don't understand, man. Block pound like this mango tree, you don't want to cool out and all a good vibration and meditation. Tree there for not too long and all that stuff, all that milk. Alright guys, so right now we're going to get some cane. We're going to go on the trail to find some cane. Maybe chop piece of cane, go and eat piece of cane the work. So I don't know a thing already, so I'm following it. Whole heap of flowers. A whole pan of flowers there. Rows and rows and rows of flowers, guys. Flowers garden. Guys, we're open at the cane spot here now. We're chop a little one cane. Yeah. Yeah. Angle that farmer. Angle that. Slice and dice that farmer trauma. Yeah, angle. We're gonna eat up some cane, you know, guys. You know, so cane good for cleaning the teeth, right? I learned that. I didn't know that. I never know that. I learn it. Alright, so I share the information. So I got angle piece of cane. Goodly sit down on one of them branches and just go and cha and nourish up your body with some of the cane juice. And then go forward back. Nice. I learn what things are country now. Oh, they are the bump on them. Anyway, this come like lemonade. Lime pan cane. Clap that tea. Alright guys, so don't eat the cane. And I feel like this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Although we have some peeps that cook a little outside pot for we, kalaloo and dumpling, and them kind of anglings there. So right now them supposed to done cook. When I go down, they go see what I go on for the pot. After which, I might show a little bit of that, but I'm making no know. Alright, so we're like off the vlog. It has been a very adventurous day. You don't know your girl Alicia Amor, one rebel seductress on the up. And once again, we are outside. And I hope you guys are loving the vibes. Yeah, we're carrying up on the farm today. Up in the hills, up in the wild. Wanna see we get some food. Free food. You don't know. I want to make sure so now check out the series In Your Mind vs Real Life, guys, because we're going to have a little farm episode. Like how they up here, we're just going to do a little content for the In Your Mind vs Real Life series. Yeah, when I go see Alicia go up on the farm and I struggle and I do the things them. I don't know, maybe by the time you guys watch this episode, that episode will already be out. And guys, remember, we'll drop the episodes in the shorts. So if you're not a YouTube person, you can definitely catch the episodes in the shorts. However, I also post the episodes on TikTok. TikTok is where you get the most updated episodes, because I always drop them on the shorts later. And also you can check out the episodes on Instagram as well, Alicia Amor Studios. I changed my name on Instagram, guys. It's no longer Alicia Amor Music, it is now Alicia Amor Studios. I'm gonna go and big up on yourself. One Alicia Amor. Love you guys. Big up on yourself, Amor Nation. Bye. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself. Thank you.